نضيء بنورنا الدنيا وننشر في الفضاء أملا ونعلي عزم همتنا فمن طلب العلا وصل.
Next round would be photo round. So please, firstly you have to show the question. Then after the completing question, I'll show you on the screen the photo. After observing that photo, you have to answer my question. Understood? Got my point? Yes. The first question, the photo round is on the screen. What does this picture convey about the concept of unity? Yes. Second number.
وَاعْتَصِمُوا بِحَبْلِ اللَّهِ جَمِيعًا وَلَا تَفَرَّقُوا. Be hold fast together to the cord of Allah and be not divided.
Please show the answer. Oh, wa'tasimu. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. Please reset it. The second question on a screen is, what are these people doing here in masjid? Share any hadith related to this picture. Three number. Yes, you. It's your turn. Please pass the mic.
من كان في المسجد ينتظر الصلاة فهو في الصلاة. Whoever is in the masjid waiting for prayer, he is in a state of prayer.
Sure. Sure. May I lock your answer?
Yes.
Yes, please show. Yeah, mashallah, man kana fil masjid yantazu salah, fahuwa fi salah. Mashallah, nasai. The next question is on the screen. This masjid, it means that are shown at you. This masjid was the first built on this earth. Would you please name it? Two number, yes, you. Talha bin Ubaidullah.
Masjid Haram.
Masjid.
The first mosque built on this earth is Masjid Haram.
MashaAllah. Please answer. Should answer. This is Masjid al-Haram. MashaAllah. The next question is for you on the screen is, what guidance does Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam provide regarding the prohibited act these people are engaged in? Yes, it's your picture. Third. Yes, it's your turn. Yes.
لا تقتلوا أولادكم.
You have 6. 5.
Do not kill your children for.
Oh, your time is up. Please show the answer. The answer is Sibabul Muslimi Fusuq. Abusing a Muslim is fisk, and evil doing and killing him is kufr, disbelief. Yes. Next question. The next photo round is on the screen. What commitment do you think is being portrayed in this picture? Share any hadith related to it. Let me repeat my question. All ears. What commitment do you think is being portrayed in this picture that's going to show you? Share any hadith related to it. Yes. First number. It's your turn. It's your turn. First number.
تعاهدوا القرآن. Commit yourself to Quran al-Kareem.
Sure. Please show the answer on the screen. تعاهد القرآن. Commit yourself to Quran al-Kareem. This person is holding the Quran al-Kareem. It means it's showing that please ta'ahadu, commit yourself. Oh, mashallah, you did wonders. You completed your all rounds.